Right, so we've got Junction 9
Yes.
that has been recently, or for about the last 40 weeks, has been under construction. And we now have some paint that we need to be abiding by, don't we?
Which will make more sense when there's traffic lights.
Yeah, sort of, yeah, but then equally I still think there's a few points that we need to make.
Third exit Wellingborough.
Third exit Wellingborough is what we're taking now.
So what's the paint telling us?
On the left,
A509 South.
A509 South is Wellingborough.
Okay, so we're going to follow A509 South.
So it's important to note that if you're going to the A14 West...
Yes.
Sorry, East.
Yes.
You go there.
Yes.
I need to come to this lane.
Now.
Because that goes off.
And so many people do that, used to come round. Now, that's turned into 3 lanes. It wasn't like that before.
It was 2 lanes before, that's right.
So you need to come across to what will be the left lane coming across the bridge and follow it around. And you can go in that lane there.
Interesting. But it's better to be in this one because then it takes you on the left-hand side of the carriageway.
Now, they deliberately widened it to 2 lanes. It was 1 lane and went back to 2 lanes, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So, now the thing is, it's only 50 miles an hour down here.
And you have to be over to the right to continue ahead at the end.
Yeah, and they don't tell you until you're practically on the roundabout.
It was 50 miles an hour before these.
It was 50 miles an hour before, yeah. That hasn't changed. So if you stick yourself on the right, you get undertaken.
Yeah.
You're going to start picking up issues with road positioning, general driving. But if it's busy, it's quite hard to get across. But there you go.
We have partnered with the brilliant MyFirst, so if you're looking for a great insurer, then follow the link below and get a £50 discount on your car insurance.
We've come from Burton Latimer. We're on a test. We've got 5 minutes to go. We've been out for 35 minutes. You know you're coming down here. You're going to be taking third exit to Kettering. Gosh, I've only got to make it back to the test centre. At the moment.
No, there's not going to be traffic lights on this bit, but there will be.
Is there not?
I don't think there's lights on this bit.
I think there will be. I just don't think they're putting. It can't just be traffic lights just for one bit, surely. They're just going to work the way round, aren't they? Putting all the extra bits and bobs in. Yeah. So you're on the left lane to take your third exit. Kind of makes sense. And what's it telling us already? A509 North. So you need to look at the planet board to work out which one is A509.
Oh, I'm in the wrong lane.
And look, you're in the wrong lane. Look at that. Should have gone to there. We're so used to doing that.
I'm so used to doing it.
Yeah, so it's the same principle as it was over there.
It is, yeah. Yeah.
Well.
There you go.
Follow the paint.
Follow the paint.
Do you need a signal off here now? I suppose it would benefit, wouldn't it?
Yeah, because there's no traffic lights. They're waiting for me, aren't they?
Yeah.
I could be in the wrong lane.
Could be in the wrong lane. Okay, we are going towards Huntingdon.
A14 East.
East. This is nice and simple.
This one is, yeah.
However, you got to make sure you're tucked in here. Don't swing out like happens at Junction 7 when they go third exit back.
Junction 7.
So look, so it's quite a tight. Look, it's quite a tight angle. You can see how easy it would be to go through there. Absolutely. So follow it round. And this is where people are going to panic, going, should have gone to Wellingborough and do that.
Yeah.
Bam, and you can see exactly what's going to happen here.
If you haven't got time to make effective observations, just like when I got in the wrong lane there, I had time to check, and it was safe to switch, and that's fine.
And
but
if it
don't
wasn't,
panic
what would you have done on test or anyway?
I would have just taken the exit.
Down the slip road.
Yeah.
Add 5 minutes, add 10 minutes to do journey maximum. Big deal.
Yeah.
Nice. Now that was safer than slowing up with the car behind.
Yeah, it was, because I saw the lorry as well.
So if you do, it's got, even if it's a 1 second gap temporarily and you put the gap in afterwards, that's safer than braking and stopping there. So
and I was judging it, the car behind, I was judging to see whether they were holding back for me. If they kept speeding up, then I wouldn't have bothered, but they were holding back.
Just hedging your bets, weren't we, there for a little while? So, Junction 9, coming back from the east, 4th exit to Kettering. Now, I have flipped and flopped about what is the best lane for this, and we're just going to do each lane now.
Yeah.
Here we go. So we'll do it from the left side first of all.
Okay, left side first.
How do you know it's okay to do it from the left side? and the right side because the planning board tells us. However, immediately afterwards, at this moment in time, there is a board that says right side only.
It's worth noting that
The left side doesn't say it.
It says.
So what do you follow?
A509.
Which one do I follow?
What does it say now? It still says A509.
No, north. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, there we go. That's fine. Right.
Okay, so we're going to go to A509. Round we go. Already in the lane. It's becoming the lane to follow it off. So watch that van coming round from the outside, and this is what you've got to keep an eye on.
And then they expect that they're going to need to come across.
So the worst thing you can do around there is go dilly-dally.
Look, this is what people are doing now, is they're just cutting across.
Okay.
But you need to, if you're in the right, you then need to switch over to the left lane in order to leave.
Now, sometimes we're brought down here, normally on sat-nav.
Yeah.
And it's third exit right, and sometimes...
Oh, the left lane.
Take you from the left lane, thinking it's two-way, but it's not, it's a dual
How
carriageway.
many people have failed doing that?
Just because it's 30 miles an hour, it's still a dual carriageway. I do that to remind someone on morning of test.
Yeah, yeah.
While I'm going up there, go around this way. So, if we know we're taking fourth exit right, we can come into this lane directly.
Which people instinctively want to do.
Which makes sense. Why make another hazard?
Yeah.
Why make another movement? Especially if you keep to the foot.
Of course not.
Yeah, that's good. Notice how it says straight on, and yet the examiner will say fourth exit right.
Yeah, it's one of those, isn't it? It's main road. Right. Let's see.
Okay. So. I'm looking for you. I trust you. So, here it goes. A509 North.
Here we go.
A509 North. This makes sense.
Okay.
I'm following around. A509 North. Brilliant.
And now...
Now, hang on a second. What's this one say? A40.
It's south
it's
now.
over there.
It's now going A509
Quick, get
south.
yourself over.
There we go.
So, it's actually no different to how it was before.
No.
But if you start following the pane, I can see it's going to throw people.
Because there's no spiral lines.
And I go, there it is. But there's no spiral.
It's a change of lane.
It's a change of lanes. It's not a spiral roundabout.
This is the one.
Follow the signs, A40 in the Midlands, or take the fifth exit at the roundabout, take the fifth exit right.
And we need to be very careful with this one now.
Yes. Because it spirals and it shouldn't.
So,
at the moment. Oh my.
Okay, so I'm going A14 west.
West.
Here we are.
Here, A14 west. I'm following the pane.
There we go.
So far, so good.
Now, be very, very careful not to look like you're going to Pytchley now.
Yes. A14 West has two options. Look. A14 West there and there.
So I'm not signalling left because it'll look like I'm going there.
Yeah.
Now, that van's gone, so I'm going to come over here, but if not, I'd stay on the right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Shall we run that as if like it says on the paint to go down on the round and see what that feels like?
Oh, that van though was already on my left. I wouldn't have been able to do that then. Let's have another look at this.
Fifth exit right, the Midlands.
Okay.
Following the paint on the to the left lane.
If I can,
spiralling
because
it.
honestly, that traffic on the left last time wouldn't have allowed it. Right.
Okay. So 509. So far, so good. We're agreed. This is good.
Okay, this is good.
This is good so far.
A14
okay.
West.
Right.
Okay.
Nothing on your left. You're signaling right. This is good. And you're going to go against the. You're going to come round. You're going to go against the island into the A14 West line.
Oh yeah, but
you're
then...
still out. No.
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 No. I don't like it. I don't like it.
That is terrible. That is shockingly bad.
Because as well, I can't signal left because it looks like I'm going to Pytchley, so I've got to move out all that way without signalling.
So why haven't they put some spiral lines into that rather than this sort of weird thing there?
No, that felt really uncomfortable.
I felt, it's like discombobulated.
It did, yeah.
Yeah, that's not good.
If you found our videos useful, then please help support our channel by liking and subscribing.